Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word flummoxed. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is flummoxed. Let's break it down. First, we have flum, which rhymes with bum and has a short U sound. Next is uxed, which sounds like uxed in boxed. Now let's put it all together. Flummoxed. Try repeating after me, flummoxed. Now a little faster, flummoxed. And at full speed, flummoxed. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Flummoxed means to be confused, puzzled, or bewildered by something. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce flummoxed and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.